Hello, my name is Zishan Rafiq, and I will tell you how to limit battery charge to Windows 11. First, go to the bottom search bar and type Store. Make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. Next, search for Battery Alarm Analytics. It's already installed on my system, but you can install it from here. Once installed, open the app. When it opens, you'll see its dashboard, which provides various battery-related information. From there, go to the notification alarm settings, where you can set an alarm percentage, like 90% or 100%. Battery reaches the set percentage, the alarm will ring, reminding you to unplug your charger. You'll also find low battery notification settings, where you can set a minimum percentage for a sound or notification alert. By using this app, you can optimize your laptop's battery and prolong its lifespan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.